Hi, I'm Nathan from IC Forming. Today we're going to be talking about ICF Bracing, what it is used for, and how to set it up. ICF Bracing helps you maintain a nice straight plumb wall vertically, horizontally, as well as it provides a scaffolding plank that you can walk on to do the top 2 rows. Good and proper bracing make sure you have a higher success rate when building your basement. First, you need to know where to put your bracing. Typically, you can put it around 4.5 to 5.5 feet. You need to place it where an X is located, and these X's indicate where the plastic tie in the ICF block runs vertically. You need to screw into these, and that's how you fasten your vertical strong back. First, you put up your vertical strong back. Place it on the bottom on top of your footing. And make sure you line up the brace with those X's. Again, this is where you want to line the hole over top of that mark. This makes it easy when putting in your screw. A couple things to note. You want to use a hex screw with a washer. This allows it to securely fasten to the block. Another thing is, make sure you put the screw at the top of the slot. When you're pouring the concrete, sometimes the styrofoam settles. The next step is the turnbuckle. Place it at approximately a height of 7 feet when you're building a 9-foot basement wall. Take the gravity pin, place it through the strong back and into the turn. Then make sure your turnbuckle is straight and at a 90-degree angle. You also have to make sure you adjust the turnbuckle to make sure the threads inside are fully adjustable so you can push out or in the wall. Make sure you line this circle up with the middle of the turnbuckle that is over top of it. Then, when that is all good to go, you can put your ground pegs in. Put them at diagonal, one on each side. If you're doing a main floor, you can also screw through the holes provided into your subfloor. Place your triangle on top of the gravity hook. Take another gravity pin, place it through the bottom. Then you can put on your walking plank. If you want to be a little extra safe, take the railing that's provided and put that in. Once you've done that, you're ready to go up onto your walking plank and do the last 2 rows of block. Once you complete the next 2 rows, make sure you put the screws in the top 2 blocks. Again, make sure you put it at the top of the slot. This is very important. If you don't do this, when you're adjusting the turnbuckles, your wall's not going to be pulling or pushing with it, and you could have a non-straight wall. Also, remember if you're using the railings, to put some material to provide that railing for you. Good luck. Now you're ready to pour. If you found this video helpful, please like below and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we're going to be talking about how to pack up the giraffe bracing and place it back into the rack. Again, thanks for watching.